guys, how you doing? So now we've got another combat sports build, and this one is purely combat sports with wrestling as well. I don't know what's going to happen this year. It's all about the UFC heavyweight championship. If Tom Aspinall's going to actually get a fight to fight John Jones, is John Jones going to retire? What's going on? What's happening? You know, Tom Aspinall is a new guy or a young guy, hungry, eager. I think, to be honest, he's a bit reckless. That fight he had, I think, with that Russian geezer, he was proper going toe to toe with him, which is, to me, is risky. But yeah, finally I quite like this one anyway. It works all right on my phone, alright, and I know there's another combat sports build coming out soon. But yeah, this one works fine on my phone, so this is for combat sports fans, alright.